welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm the CEO, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming through. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the everyday makeup routine. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my everyday makeup routine, how I go from this to this in a few minutes. So you want to do makeup, but you just don't want to do too much makeup. Yeah, so this is something you can. I particularly, when I'm not creating makeup content, I tend to apply less makeup on my face because I don't know, when I'm not doing it, I really don't like doing makeup. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, anyways, that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I do when I'm creating my everyday makeup routine is to draw my brows. I don't really like doing too much, to be honest, so I usually just use a brow wax. You can use a brow wax, and I also use edge control like I'm doing here. I use soap, to be honest, so it just depends on what I prefer to use. I just use it to like brush my brows quickly. So next thing I do is to draw my brows using my daily brow pencil. So when I'm going out, or I'm trying to like be in a hurry or something, when I'm in a hurry and I'm trying to just do makeup for doing sake, I don't do too much on my brows because first of all, I don't even have brows, to be honest. So what I do is like I tend to just fill it in. To define under my brows with my Zara Healthy Glow, my Zara Liquid Concealer. So once all that's done, I just blend it in with my fingers. I actually believe that you blend it in with your fingers to sink in well. So yeah, that's what I do. I use my Huda Beauty Rose Water spray all over my face first. So the next thing I go in with is my prawns. Apply the pawns to my face, mostly places where I feel I sweat a lot. And just like make sure it sinks in. You can actually use a brush, but I prefer to use my hand when applying this because I feel like it works better. It helps makes the product sink into the face well. So yeah. So after I apply the prawns, I just go in with my foundation. So I tend to use a foundation brush when I'm in a hurry because I can't exactly, I think it saves time and it makes it blend in well. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to apply my concealer. Take my Zara Healthy Glow concealer, and I tend to not put foundation under my eyes like too much because I know I'm still going to have to go in with concealer, and like I said earlier, I want to reduce the quantity of products that I apply on my face. So yeah. So I just do very little like this. So I plan to blend places on my nose, my jaw, my forehead first before I blend. So the next thing is I do my contour. Now to minimize the quantity of contour that I put on my face, I tend to take some and put on my hands first so that I can just control it, I guess. So yeah. And so I take a flat makeup brush and just dab it into that same LA Girl Pro concealer in Mahogany to contour my nose. So I just drag it from the front of my brows down to the bridge of my nose, and I also use a small beauty blender to just like blend it out to set my face. And I also use the opportunity to set my under eyes so that the concealer don't look so patchy. So most of the time I actually just only set my face, I don't bake. As you can see, the powder is a shade lighter than my normal foundation shade or my powder shade, so I just apply it in areas that I applied my concealer, that is under my eyes, my jaws, my nose, and under my brows, so they won't look so patchy. I'm going to use my black opal setting powder in deep. The black opal setting powder is a shade darker than my normal setting powder shade, which is why I use it to reverse my contour or define my contour, as people like to call it. So immediately I just blend it out immediately with a powder brush. So I'm just setting my contour. So the next thing I'm going to do is my eyes. I basically don't do anything when I'm doing my everyday makeup routine. So I'll just use my contour shade to just create like a depth around my face, my eyes, and that's basically all I'm going to do. Then I'm going to go over this remaining side with my powder, with my lighter shade of powder, the one I used to set. Then I'm going to add a little gold to the edge of my eyes, just so that I can pop it too. I'm just going to use my hand to blend it. So I'm almost done. Next thing I'm going to do is my blush. I just like digging this whole blush thing, so most of the time when I'm doing my everyday makeup look, I don't put so much. It's either I put or I don't do at all. But if I'm to do blush when I'm going out, I tend to put very little. go all over my face with my powder. So before I put my highlighter on, I'm going to use mascara. Realistically, when I'm going out, I don't put on lashes. I only put on lashes when I'm creating makeup content. So why would I put on lashes now? But what I usually use is mascara. I don't do without mascara. And I go over with my bronzer highlighter. I don't exactly know which shade to use. I think I'm going to use this one. I use this shade. And I go in with my classic lip gloss lipstick. The last thing I'm going to apply on my face after looking this beautiful is my setting spray from Huda Beauty. So just going to let it sit in. So guys, this is the outcome of my everyday makeup routine. This is how I always go out, with no lashes and just minimal makeup. Because like I said earlier, when I'm not doing makeup, when I'm not creating makeup content, I tend to have very little makeup on my face because I have a lot of acne, and like I said, I'm trying to reduce the products that I put on my face, if that makes sense. I feel like that's irony, but yes. So this is how to do my everyday makeup routine. There are so many versions of this on YouTube, so I don't know if this is what you would want. If you like this routine and you learned something from it, please let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know what you think of this video. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, you've gotten to the end of this video, you've gotten to this part and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I mean, what are you waiting for, really? Like, join the family, man. Okay, thank you. That's all. That being said, see you guys in my next video. Bye.